PeerStorage, where you can make money from your unused space. It takes just 5 minutes to start earning, but first, you have to create a profile, answer some questions to build your listing, then sit back and relax as we do all the hard work to connect you with renters so you can start earning.
So get started today by following these steps. So join your community and turn your unused space into monthly cash. Thank you for watching.